my lesson plan formula for engaging tennis lessons. I received an email from a fellow coach that inspired me to share my successful lesson plan formula for keeping both kids and adults engaged in tennis and eager to return to my classes. The email read, "Many of my younger 8 to 11 years old beginner students are not willing to follow some of my instructions. They seem to be more interested in fun and games than learning the correct strokes. How can I encourage them to be a little more serious about the game?" It's common for beginners, especially those aged 8 to 11, to prioritize fun games over technical instruction. The repetitive nature of stroke practice can be boring for them. To keep students engaged, coaches should design lesson plans that combine both technical knowledge and fun. Hi, I'm Cosmin, the coach and founder of WebTennis24. In my over 20 years of teaching tennis, I've developed a lesson plan formula that I've used to great success with kids and adults alike. Step 1. 10 minutes. Start the lesson with a warm-up routine that includes exercises such as jogging, karaoke, side shuffles, and fun games like caterpillar, toss, catch, shuffle, or royal court. Always greet and welcome your students with a big smile on your face, demonstrating your enthusiasm to be their coach. Step 2. 15 minutes. After the warm-up, spend 15 minutes on technique practice. Begin with shadow strokes and then use a basket to feed for various technique drills. The technical drills should be conducted at the beginning of the class when the student's attention span is fresh and they are not yet tired. Step 3. 5 minutes. Give your students a 5-minute break to pick up the balls and get some water. Step 4. 10 minutes. Next, continue with rally games. Even beginners can play fun rally games like Kings and Queens or In and Out. Step 5. 10 minutes. After the rally games, spend another 10 minutes on technique practice. Step 6. 10 minutes. The final 10 minutes of the lesson should be dedicated to footwork drills or games such as Around the World, Potato Race, or any other activity that gets everybody active and cheering for others. It's great to finish the class with all the players tired, loud, and happy. Kids need a balance of technical instruction and fun games to stay interested and focused. Once they begin playing in tournaments, they will understand the importance of learning and practicing the technical and tactical aspects of the game. Therefore, coaches should encourage their students to enter competitions early on in their development to understand the reason behind practicing those technical skills. If you are looking for tennis drills and lesson plans to teach beginner and advanced players, you'll find them at webtennis24.com. Visit us now